Hello guys, and welcome back to Mojike YouTube channel. And this phone is having this issue, all right, recovery problem. Whenever the customer is using the phone, the customer complains that the phone just restarts and end up on that recovery mode. All right, so I want you to pay close attention at what this phone is doing and see for yourself how to solve this problem. If you're a technician and your customer brings this to you, this is the best way to solve this problem. All right, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. If you're interested in our online training, please DM us on the numbers on the screen, and we are going to be able to help you become a better technician. All right, join the train of professionals in this journey, in this field. All right, now I'm not going to fast forward the video. I want you to see exactly how this phone is behaving, so that when you have it, you will also see what is going on. So now when I keep using this phone, let me just use it, use different apps, press different things, and see if the phone is going to behave the way it has behaved before we start the video. Okay, so just pay close attention. Let me just press randomly. You see that the phone just trips off. It trips off without pressing the power key. It just automatically go off. And now let's wait and see what happens. Okay, let's wait. I'm not going to press the power key. All right, just pay close attention. All right, this is Itel A66L, right? You can see that A667, okay, A667 LP. So it reboots back to recovery mode. So this is the problem of this phone. As a technician, if you have this phone, what I want you to put in the comment section, what do you think is the problem of this phone before I solve it? Before I solve it, do you think it's a software problem, or do you think it has memory problem? Do you think the eMMC is having issue? What do you think the problem is? Write it down in the comment section right now before you keep watching the video. Okay, it's just a test for you. All right, see, so when I press try again, the phone starts over and does the same thing. Sometimes it works well, sometimes it does this. So I want you to see how I'm going to be able to solve this problem. All right, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, because we are always giving you tips that are valuable. All right, tips that are very, very important for you to make money. Don't forget to like. If you're interested in our online training, please DM us on the numbers on the screen, and we are going to add you to our training. All right, online training. If you're also interested in physical training, please DM us as well. Now I'm going to disconnect the battery. I'm going to disconnect the clip, the screen. Now pay close attention. Don't skip this video. Whenever you see issues like this, the first thing you should go and check is the camera. The camera may be disconnected. The back camera. You see that the camera was disconnected. This is not a software problem. So even though you do a software repair, you flash this phone, you do all kind of stuff, it will not work until you check this that I'm showing you right away, ladies and gentlemen. Even if you reball the CPU from now to next step, it will still do the same thing. So because the factory, when they produce the phone, they left a little bit of gap, in between the chassis and the PCB. So whenever this phone falls to the ground or it experiences any form of vibration, the camera will disconnect. This is common with this particular model of phone. So when you have this is the second time, this is the second phone I'm going to repairing this type of issue on. So guys, this is just how to go about it. All right, don't stress yourself before going to software, before going to any other thing. The first thing you check is the camera, the rear or the back camera. Okay, so check it. If it's disconnected, connect it back, and you can just put a tape the way I did mine, so that the customer don't come again and again and again. All right, so after doing this, it shows that you know what you are doing, and obviously it's going to give us good results. All right. So if you're interested in our online training or physical training, make sure you DM us on the numbers on the screen and we're going to help you out. So let me just play around with the phone. I want you to study, and see that the problem is solved already. The problem is solved. All right. You can make a lot of money with this simple trick. All right. I hope you learned something in today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tricks. If you're interested in our physical training or online training, all right, anyone you're interested in, you will gain a lot. All right, when you come for physical training, you gain more, lots of knowledge. All right, and it's going to overflow. So I will advise you to DM us on the numbers on the screen to chat with us on the physical or the online training, and we are going to help you become a better technician. The phone is working perfectly now. See you in my next video. Peace.